In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print on Google Sites. Let's start at the beginning. Printing a page from Google Sites isn't quite straightforward as hitting the print command on your keyboard, but with a few steps, you'll see it's pretty simple. First, you'll need to access Google Sites. This means you're heading over to their homepage. There you'll be prompted to sign in. Go ahead and click on the Sign In button. You'll then enter your email address, hit Next, then type your password and click on Sign In. If you're already signed in, that's one less step for you. Once you've signed in, navigate to the site you want to print. Google Sites houses all of your creations, so scroll through or search to find the specific site you're interested in. Now, here's where it gets a bit more interesting. You're looking for an option to publish or view your site as it appears to the public. You'll find a drop-down menu for Publish at the top right of the screen. Click on that drop-down. Within that drop-down, there's an option to View Published Site. Select that. This action takes you out of the edit mode and lets you see the site exactly how anyone visiting it would. Once you're viewing your site as it's displayed publicly, you need to bring up the printing interface. To do this, you simply right-click anywhere on the page. A menu will appear, and one of the options is Print. Click on it. Right-clicking and selecting Print opens your browser's printing options. From here you can choose your printer, decide if you want to print in color or black and white, adjust the scale to fit the page better, and more. Make sure to preview your print to ensure everything looks just right. And there you have it. It's not the most straightforward process, but it's pretty easy once you know the steps. Remember, printing a website can sometimes look a bit different than what you see on your screen, so always preview before you print. Closing off, remember to save any important changes to your site before you start this process, just in case. Thanks for following along, and I hope this guide helps you print your Google Sites pages quickly and efficiently.